Hi first graders. Last time when you were here, I did a demonstration to show you how to color in the tree portion of your project. Today what I'm going to do is a demonstration to show you how to use the warm colors to color in the sun as well as your sun rays. And then I'm also going to talk to you about how we are going to color the snow in our project. I will do that demonstration in just a second. Okay, so the last time you were here, I showed you how to color your tree in using the cool colors, and you also had to mix colors together. So within each section, you were supposed to use one or two colors and then mix those colors together, but you were only supposed to use the cool colors. So today we're moving on to the background, which would be the sun rays, and then the ground, which is going to be snow. And we're going to be using the warm colors for the sun and the sun rays. And again, we're going to be mixing the colors. So I just picked out, I have a box of 50 colored pencils. I just picked out some of the reds, the oranges, and yellows, so the warm colors that I decided I would use in the rays of sun. You're going to do it just like you did on the tree. So you're going to choose one or two colors to mix together. I'm sorry, not one or two, two or three colors to mix together in each of the sun rays. So what I want you to make sure you do, or don't do I should say, is just take like pink and do pink in all of these and then like orange in all of those. We want them all to be done differently, okay? So maybe I want to do pink here and orange in this one and red in that one. But the order is kind of up to you. So I would go about halfway if I'm just using two colors, like that. And then decide what I want my second color to be. I think I want mine to be orange. So I'm going to fill the rest of the space in with orange. But I'm going to wait before I start mixing them. So I get it right up to that pink. Fill this in. And notice that I'm doing it I'm doing it slowly. I'm taking my time. I'm making sure that I'm not doing it scribbly. And I'm filling all the white spaces in, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is just take my orange and go gently, I'm not pressing hard, I'm going gently into the pink, like that. And then the same thing with my pink. I'm not pressing hard again, and I'm gonna go gently into that orange to get the two colors to mix together.
I see that one.
And then, just wait, buddy. And then I would move on to my next section. The one place on your project that I am going to say you can just use one color is the actual sun. If you wanted to make this like just yellow without blending any other colors, I'm okay with that, okay? So maybe in my next section, I want to do yellow, and I wouldn't do orange since orange is right here. And I'm not going to color all of this in. I just want to show you how you should make it different than the other sun rays. Maybe I want to do yellow and red. When you get, and again, you would fill this all in. I'm just not, for the sake of the demonstration, I don't want to take all your time. When you're mixing a darker color with a lighter color, don't press quite as hard with that dark color, because otherwise the colors won't be able to mix together. So I go into my yellow a little bit with the red, and into the red a little bit with my yellow,
Mom,
and just kind of blend the two together.
This is the wrong way.
You can't talk right now. All right, so it looks like that. Now, the last thing that I want to show you is how we're going to do the snow. The snow shouldn't take very long. You're only going to color a tiny bit of the snow, and you actually want to use one of the cool colors. So one of the colors that you used in your tree, I grabbed turquoise and I grabbed purple because I wasn't sure which one I was going to want to use. I think I'm going to use purple. And all I'm going to do is press kind of hard right here along the horizon, so where the ground and the sky meet, like that. And you do the same thing on this side. And then you're, kind of gonna fade it out. So I'm going to start pressing lighter and lighter until I just stop pressing at all and I don't put any of the purple. It just turns to white paper. And I would keep doing that all the way across my paper until I have the entire piece of paper filled up with just that tiny bit of purple or blue to make it look like there's a little bit of a shadow on the snow. Just like that. And once you are done with all of this, all of the tree, all of the sun and the sun rays, and all of the snow, you're done with the project. Okay? So I don't want you to rush on this. There's a very good chance that you will have another day to work on it. We'll just kind of see how you do in class today or how far you get in class today. But please don't go fast just so that you can get it done, okay? I would be more than happy to give you extra time so that you can do a really nice job on this. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know.